Dr. Kim Sommerville here. Welcome back to another video. So you clicked on this video because you want to know the one thing that you need to eat better this year. Now, what could it be? Could it be a diet app? Could it be a detailed diet plan? Could it be more money to buy better foods? Could it be a nutritionist? I don't know. I want you guys to give me a comment, give me a guess in the comments below and let me know. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. You haven't commented, have you? Yeah, man, put a comment. Pause it and put a comment. Alright, so if you guessed discipline, then you are right. Don't click off the video. Don't click off the video. I am going to be telling you how you can get disciplined this year so that you can get wonderful, healthy eating patterns for the rest of the year and beyond. Stay tuned. So I have a short video on why discipline is better than motivation. Motivation is great and you should at least know why you want to do the things you're doing, but you're not going to wake up every morning actually motivated. And that's where discipline and consistency come in. Once it becomes a habit, then you're good to go. Even if you have a few slip-ups, that discipline is going to kick in again. So what I usually like to say is to formulate the habit around something that you normally do. So what do you do each morning? You wake up and likely go to work, right? So every morning when you wake up, you can make the habit to say, I'm going to drink 1 to 2 cups of water. Another way that you can get in water is by saying, all right, every morning that I'm coming out the door, I should bring my water bottle with about 4 to 6 cups of water in it, and I should finish it before the day ends. Another thing, say you want to eat more vegetables. Every time you go to the supermarket, you want to buy at least 1 or 2 small bags of some vegetable. Doesn't matter what it is, can be cucumber, carrots, anything that you like, and always have it at home. For another example, if you're waiting on your tea in the morning, what you can do is cut up some fruit each morning to eat. Whatever works for you in whatever way. I like to use exercise as well. So for me, what I'm going to do in order to get more exercise in is every morning before my show, I'm going to have a 5 to 10 minute workout so that I know that I'm getting some activity in the day. So if you have a habit that you definitely want to put into place this year, just put it in the comments below and we can see how we can make each other accountable. The next thing with formulating habits, we can't rush the process because, as some of you may know, it takes at least around 21 days or 3 weeks to actually have a habit be solidified in your whole process, right? So what I would suggest is that have one habit each month. So January finishing already. So if it wasn't great in January, in February, let's say that, hey, you want to eat more vegetables. You want to have vegetables 3 times a week. March, you can say that, you know, I'm gonna start drinking more water. In April, you're gonna say, hey, I want to reduce how much fried foods I'm having throughout the month. So each month you can just put a new habit in place, and this will essentially not overwhelm you and just have one thing for you to concentrate on. And then by the end of the year, you'll find that you'll be doing so much better because you've accumulated all of these habits. I found a great tip from a YouTuber who is doing exercise videos right now. Her name is Alyssa Ashley. And what she said was to get a calendar, right? And have those large calendars that you can actually write something in each day, and put a smiley face by every day that you have done the habit that you want. You want to go to the gym 5 times a week, put a smiley face when you went on Monday, possibly it didn't work out for the rest of the week and you went on Friday, put a smiley face there. Anything that is going to help to add in that motivation. Yes, discipline is great, but discipline and motivation together will be even better. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you. Please let me know what your habits that you're gonna form. If you want to work with me so we can help increase those healthy habits, I'll put my information here. So thank you again for watching. This is Simple Summer Naturals, giving you simple nutritional advice for your daily life. Take care.